Electric mobility should feel limitless.
Introducing EV Route Planner for Android Auto,
The intelligent vehicle energy model integrated into your Sierra.ev, designed to make every long-distance drive smarter, clearer, and more confident.
simply enter your destination and EV Route Planner for Android Auto predicts your battery percentage not only upon arrival but even for your return journey in real time.
If the journey extends beyond available range, the system proactively alerts you and intelligently identifies where charging will be required. Calculates charging duration and continuously updates your total trip time, all before you begin driving. Filter charging stations by preferred charging speeds to create a journey tailored precisely to your driving style. Prefer arriving with more reserve charge? Simply customize your preferred battery level at destination directly through the touchscreen interface. Detailed charging station insights help you choose confidently with live visibility into charging speeds, availability, and network providers.
EV Route Planner for Android Auto in the Tata Sierra.ev.
Intelligent EV routing engineered to keep every journey confidently in motion.
Tata.ev